CELH was trending at some point in today's session. That is today, the 30th of September 2025, up 1.11%. You may have heard that Pepsi has increased its stake in the company up to 11%. And I think the company acquired Alani, the drink, or something like that, for $1.8 billion. So there's, what is behind the buzz is the upgrade from Morgan Stanley. I think Morgan Stanley has upgraded the stock to around one to $70 or thereabouts, and then there's the stake from Pepsi. Exposes the company and the drink and its drinks, the energy, is it energy, the mineral water to Pepsi's network. So you can imagine if Pepsi has taken up an 11% stake. Yeah, we done. It's a no-brainer that distribution deals are going to be in place. So amongst other things. So we have extrapolation is saying that higher prices will remain in place, at least going all the way towards Thursday, the 23rd of October. Then after that, we may see a contraction. Let's see, they picked up strength lately, around 24th of September. Okay, underlying trend is strongly bullish. Let's see, projections are saying, let's see what we have. 50.08, it's a downward projection. 51.92 as well, equally a downward projection. Let's see what do we have an intraday high. Yeah, we have one here, 59.70. We may have even higher, a higher projection on the 1 minute. Okay, we have here 56.6 for a downward projection, 61.83 upward, 65.04 upward as well. Yeah, on a 1 minute chart, there's a good chance we may have some projections there. Let's see what we have down here. Price pressure momentum, both. Okay, the 10-day is trending solidly. However, the derivatives are both severely bearish, indicating that the stock is facing an immense amount of selling pressure in the midst of strong trend mode. The market has just closed now. However, the 21-day moving average is not trending at all. It's not trending. It's severely bearish. The positions opened 21 days ago are not doing well. You can see that this will be around this year, around the 24th of this year, somewhere around here, somewhere around here. 24th will be here, somewhere around here. 24th, 21 days ago. Yeah, sorry, it will be all the way back to sometime in August or thereabouts. Somewhere it should be somewhere ahead, somewhere above the current price. That's where 21 days is. So those positions are not doing well. That's why we have a negative trend mode on the 21-day moving average. Okay, the market has just closed, so let's see. Not that much has changed on the 4-hour chart. The extrapolation is also saying high prices will remain in place all the way towards Thursday, the 9th of October. Setting pressure or lack thereof is okay. Everything here is trending. Yeah. The only thing negative, the only two derivatives negative are the 10 and 21. Sorry, are the second derivatives on the two moving averages. That is the 10 and 21 period moving averages. They are negative. Yes, indicating yes that selling pressure is there. However, the two moving averages are trending strongly. Yeah, I mean, being that the 4-hour chart is always active, you can imagine that it will amplify even the slightest of movements. So the bullish trend, it has the bullish trend that was in place, the buying pressure that was in place, still very much in place, even though selling pressure is kicking in. Yeah, yeah, we've seen higher projections. We've seen $65 here. We have 64.01, 61.91, 59.77. Yeah. Okay, let's jump to the 1 minute chart. Let's see whether we can see even anything more ambitious than $65. 7.58. 7.88. Let's see. Okay, nothing here on the 1 minute chart. Let's look at the 2 minute chart. 7.60, 7.47, 7.62, 58.21, 58.17. Okay, nothing here. Let's look at the 3 minute chart. Okay, let's see whether we might be able to find one here. 59.25. Yeah, maybe not. Nothing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, 63.94. Nothing. Still below the $65. Okay, yeah, we've seen $65 and higher already, so we don't need to. There's ample room to the upside, even if it hasn't printed them before. You can always do so at some point. I think the fundamentals are looking right. Nothing is wrong with the company. Yeah, given the balls, given the trend, the balls around it, and upgrades now being covered by analysts. Yeah, there's a chance that it might do well. Yeah. Okay, so the market is closed right now. We can't see any activity going on there. So have a look and see what you make of CELH. It seems that some news has popped up. Let's see. This is all about. Let's see. Okay, yeah, some news here. Key fact. Key facts. Okay, Celsius Holdings Inc. Okay, it's the stock. The company is experiencing rising sales, prompting an upgrade from Morgan Stanley. The Alani brand joins PepsiCo's distribution on December the 1st, boosting market share and pricing power. Morgan Stanley has increased the price target for Celsius to $70 per share, up from a previous target of $61. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on, and see what you make of CELH. And thank you very much for watching this video.